Want to check exactly how many followers you have on X, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to check your current follower count on X. Now let's get started. To check your follower count on X, open the X app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. At the top of the menu on the left, you'll be able to see how many followers you currently have. If you have over 10,000 followers, you may not be able to see the exact count on your profile in the app. To see the exact number of followers that any account has, open the X website on your desktop browser. Then, search for the account for which you want to see the exact number of followers. If you hover your cursor over their follower count, you can see the exact number of followers they have, even if this is not your own account. That's all it takes to check your exact follower count on X. Want to learn more about using X? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.